Oh, where shall we go, eh?
Oh, I hate this fucking thing.
Yeah.
So how to push out of it.
You just walk out. Oh, it's over there at forklifts.
Pistol fighting. I'll push out. Oh boy. I'm gonna gain a foothold in this stairwell. Mark,
Yeah, I'm going up
Maybe I went up the
stairs.
metal stairs.
I'm level 3.
Where are you, Carbon?
I'm up top.
Yeah.
Whoever's in the hallway. Stay right side of it.
Yep.
Run
Nade?
into it, run into
Oh,
it.
it's on me.
Shoot him! Come around the corner. My head is ringing like a fucking dinner bell.
Where is he?
Downstairs. It's you, Haley?
No,
Yeah.
him. Oh,
Oh,
I'm not healing.
he must be in. Metal?
It's him.
He's on second floor.
Dead.
Nice.
Could be more than one.
Yeah, probably is. Closing this door here.
One more might be in bathroom.
My head just like... Cussed me real bad. Still concussed at 60 seconds.
Hey, you rang the dinner bell for me too. Alright.
And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet holes in my belt. It saved me.
Body blast, bro. Alright, someone escort me.
Oh yeah. I can't really see. Yeah, I'm lifting this. Are you in
Don't do
bath
it.
now? Wait, are you in that bath? Or in metal walkway?
That was me, Metal.
Can I do
Yeah,
it after I
possible
get
contact
dressed?
bath.
The paint. No,
Trips just
Oh, yeah. Oh, this guy's spewing. He had level 6 armor with
Yeah,
a
come
pistol.
Oh, he was going for those pistol kills, bro. That's why I fucking didn't know.
Where's Eva? Where are you, bro?
Is it
On the
down
walkway.
Skybridge, maybe? Or
Oh no,
is it
downstairs looting him. Ground
I'm
floor.
going into... Maya, stop it. Go away.
Get in there,
Coming
cunt.
back in.
Come on. Below us? Oh no. Oh, that's Eva.
No, I'm coming back in.
Fuck, I thought you were ground. Like, I didn't know you were out of this.
You use Metal?
Yeah, he's planting.
Who just popped the door?
I just closed the door.
Anyway, I'm done.
I'll just grab half that loot, Evo. Team effort.
Come, what do you want?
Nah, that's all good.
Oh, I honestly don't care.
Nah. What helmet did he have? He didn't have a visor, did he? Or did he?
LZSH green.
Yeah, fuck.
Dude,
No,
that
I-
lady lob like rolled straight at me.
Yeah, we had to sprint. It came past
Yeah,
my fucking face.
I know.
I had to
Ran
run
straight
into it.
past you guys.
If we didn't commit into the hallway, it probably would have fucked. Someone's creeping fucking bathroom.
Probably a scab in there. Good to just get out, boys. I reckon someone's in extract.
Nah, door's closed.
Doesn't mean they didn't shut it. Ready to go?
Someone's walking.
Yeah.
I'm
I
popping a
just-
painkiller. Just want to get this mission done. in One
I'm
go.
running down the ground floor.
I'm at ground floor.
I'm still in the middle.
Let's get the fuck out of here, bro. I can heal it. Yeah, fucking bathroom.
Here's the guy. Is that the guy you killed, or is that the guy you killed
Yeah.
right there?
The guy I killed.
Oh, dude. Do you reckon I'll get a run through?
Yeah, you will.
Stay in
I
here.
haven't looted anything. And I've looted some stuff.
I hear metal to my right. Or is that just Evo walking around?
I don't know where your right is.
I'm
Are you
looking
there,
back
bro?
towards you out of extract.
Nah,
If you need
Why?
help, just come here. I'll loot.
fine.
I'm just gonna sit in the back corner, boys, behind the pipes.
I don't even know if you need to survive the raid.
Yeah, I do. I checked.
Oh, it does
I make
say
it.
survive the raid, but it's glitched.
You've only got to stay in the raid for like 10 minutes, bro, and you can't get a run through.
Yeah, I'd rather just not sit in there.
Go hunt
We
the
only killed
scavs
one,
in
but there
the
was
middle of the
other
map.
shots which we killed.
Let me know when you're coming back. Shots.
Nice.
Player scav. Maybe like blue bin area from the sounds of the shot.
Fuck, what's that loot? Nothing. We could go to stripper pole. Is that you shooting
Oh.
troops?
No, bro.
Oh my god. Where'd
That was
sound
suppressed.
Like? Where'd that sound like to you?
Someone's in the rafters, I think, man. Who's running?
Not me.
No.
He's in the middle of boilers.
Which boilers? Like down low.
Like the boilers just out in front of glass hallway.
No, that's us.
So you're in that little steel
Or
shack
on
right
pump
in front of
house.
extract?
Pump house.
No, this guy's in the steel shack in front of extract. The walkthrough shack
Oh,
with,
okay.
with the crates. I just saw him creeping towards stripper end of it.
Which end? Stripper end?
Yeah, the double stack crate,
Yeah.
blue crates. He was walking towards that end.
There's a scab behind us even.
Yeah.
Can you get it? Actually,
I'll get it. I'll get it.
no, I need the X.
Player scap dead.
It's not pushing. Is that the dude you saw?
Yeah, that was the one I saw. He was running for extract. The other guy said he was on the other side of the map. He maybe up in offices.
Clear in tunnels. Going under tunnel.
Jump.
Running. He's coming for me. He's at extract. He's coming for extract.
Are you right?
2 down.
Was it just one? I'm coming towards where you just dropped him, don't shoot.
I'm at the blue. I'm in the back corner. He's dead at the blue dustbins.
I
The
know.
other one's dead
I
out
was
to the
walking up
left.
to where you oh fuck!
Shots
He's
from
getting shot
Skybridge.
at.
Skybridge. He's in Skybridge. He's gone left towards stripper.
Open that fucking extract. I'm running out.
Yeah, door's open. Evo, where are
That's
you?
long enough.
Blue bins.
The guy's above you in stripper. Carbon, I'm just gonna extract.
Evo, come to us if you can.
It's a pistol scout.
Oh really? Have you looted that dude out the front?
No, I haven't looted anything because that guy started shooting at you.
Hit you on wood, Evo?
Yeah.
It's me.
Looting my kill.
I thought you were extracting, boy. Fuck up. Make me feel bad.
Oh, you should still feel bad.
Nah, you're extracting. Dude, I just recorded that whole thing.
Evo's got fat legs again.
He's looting.
Wait, I want to kill this.